Who's KreekCraft? Who is that? I don't know who that is. Who's KreekCraft? I don't know who this is. What is this? Who's a KreekCraft? What is this?
Hey, Bill Jensen, or should I say Bobby Hill. Listen, I heard you love spending your time listening to KSI while gaming on your Meta PC, and I also heard on the Bill Jensen radio that your wife, Mita, left you for Mr. Meta. I'm really sorry about that, man. Actually, no, I take that back. You probably idolize Mr. Methane. By the way, get your lazy, front-facing, baby chick-looking booty shaking, desk-breaking bum off the chair. Stop playing Counter-Strike and go outside. Anyway, have fun with the shower.
Get a haircut!
Moto. Oh yeah, almost forgot. You look a lot like Chris Griffin. Goodbye.
I don't know who you are. I have no idea who you are. And you dare to disrespect me. How dare you? I will confront you. I will do it for the Christians out there. You ever see this guy? Let him know that I will be confronting him. I don't care.